Hi everybody, we're doing partial products, 245 times 3. So step 1 is to take that 245 and split it into parts. That's where partial products comes from. And that means you're going to put it in expanded form into those 3 boxes there. So we have purple, green, blue, purple, green, blue. That 2 is in the hundreds place, so it's really worth 200. The 4 is worth 40. And then we have the 5, which is just a 5 because it's in the ones place. This is how you put 245 in expanded form. It's 200 plus 40 plus 5. And since these 3 digits are all in the same number, they're next to each other. They're not going to multiply against each other. They're all along the top. But the 3 is on the other side, and that's why the 3 goes down here in its own separate level. We are going to multiply 3 times. We're going to do 200 times 3, 40 times 3, and 5 times 3. So that's 200 times 3, 40 times 3, and 5 times 3. And then we just put our answers here and add them together. So feel free to pause the video, try it, and then check your work, or you can follow along. So for 200 times 3, as always, ignore the zeros. Just do 2 times 3, which is 6. And then you put 1, 2 zeros back in. For 40 times 3, again, ignore the 0. Do 4 times 3, which is 12, and then put the 0. And finally, 5 times 3, which is 15. So what we just did there is we did each digit at a time. So we did 200 times 3, then we did 40 times 3, and then we did 5 times 3. So we're just multiplying the parts. And then at the end, you just add them all together. So let's go ahead and add these starting on the right. 0 plus 0 plus 5, 0 plus 2 plus 1, and 6 plus 7. And that's how you do partial products for multi-digit multiplication.